We're gonna get Steve. We're gonna get Steve with the air horns. Put all this away. Stevie boy. Somebody's gonna get it. Somebody's gonna get the air horns. Somebody's gonna get the air horns. John boys, put it on remote. Oh yes. Oh yes, John's put it on remote. Shh, don't tell anyone. Bah! Just leave it here. See me in mods?
You got Lambo doors as well?
No, you shouldn't Lambo doors. Yeah, Rod, how are you doing, pal? How are you doing? Yeah, alright, mate. See if you can spot it.
Which side?
You have to open the doors.
All the syllabus.
Have a sit in. See if you can spot it.
Oh, bloody
Where's the noise coming from? Obviously from the engine exhaust, but what have you done to it?
It's got a 430 exhaust on it, so for some reason.
What am I looking at? No idea.
Cleaned it?
Your seats feel a little bit. Oh mate.
Jukes are massive.
Fucking hell.
Worried.
What do you need now? What's it called, that flag? Generally, yeah.
Confederate flag.
You need a Confederate flag on the back here now.
Fire it up, I'll fire it up. I'll fire it up. Oh, I'm not ready.
You need it to be back here.
That's not what we thought.
Video. Bloody hell!
He's fucking huge! He's fucking massive!
Are you very special?
No! Put it on the remote. Oh, that is hilarious. He's just got it all back with him. I'll have to speak through the wheel slow later. I need to speak to you and have a look at all that. I never thought about doing that. I didn't want to put it on the module.
20 quid off the and you can get an air horn, you know, just the American trains and all that.
I've been watching them for ages. I mean, I've got them here now. I mean, I'm getting like a ratchet. I want like a ratchet, but you can't get them less than 31 quid.
Oh, the Godfather.
That's the one I'm getting. I'll send off for it. I've been watching it.
Special. Right.